In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with this powerful website called Copymatic.ai. So basically this website right here allows you to generate content in absolutely seconds. And basically, as you can see right here, you can generate content in form of blog post, website, social media, and you can use them for marketing purposes as well, like for email marketing, and you can also use them for campaigns and also landing page content. So basically, if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to make money online, and if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can literally learn everything you need to start making passive income every single day with CPA marketing. So the first thing you want to do is to basically come over to this website, Copymatic.ai. So basically they have paid features, but you can get started with a free plan and you can still make money. So I'm going to show you how to set up everything in this video. So once you come over to this website, you want to click on this start writing for free. You'll be able to create your account with your Gmail or LinkedIn, or you can type in your email right here. So once you have your account created, your dashboard is literally going to look like this. As you can see, you can create content in form of articles right here, blog posts. And if I scroll down, you can see you can create content for landing pages. And if I scroll down here, you can see you can create email content as well. So basically, like I said, I'm going to be taking the blog post as an example in this video. And this process is virtually the same for all these other categories right here. So I'm going to click on this blog post writer. The next thing now is to basically type in the title of your blog post in this box. And then you want to type in related keywords. As you can see, this one says how to lose weight fast without dieting. And you can see related keywords, weight loss, fitness, 6-packs ab. And now you want to click on next. And here you want to basically click on generate titles. So once you generate these titles, it's going to give you highly optimized titles that has been generated by this bot. Okay, you can see this one says the best way to lose weight without dieting, 5 ways to lose weight without dieting. So I can select any of these titles right here. So I'm going to take this one as an example. This one that says how to lose weight fast, 11 simple tricks that you can follow at home. So I'm going to select that. Now you want to generate intros as well. All right, so once you do that, you can select any of these intros right here. So I'm going to take this one as an example. And now you want to generate outlines for the blog post. So I'm going to click on this generate outlines. So once you do that, as you can see right here, these are the 11 tricks that you can follow at home. And you can see these are the headlines that has been generated by this bot right here. Okay, so now I'm going to click on this select, and now it's going to ask you to generate content. And now you want to click on this yes please. So once you do that, as you can see, 11 simple tricks that you can follow at home to lose weight. You can see right here the bot is generating the content. You can see this is the first trick right here, drinking water. And now you can see this is the second one right here, eating more food that are high in protein. And you can see the third one right here, don't forget to exercise regularly. You can see this literally took less than 1 minute to create this content. So the next thing you want to do is to basically just copy this blog post, as you can see right here. And now you may be wondering, how do you make money with this? So I'm going to show you the easiest and the fastest way that you can use to make money with this content. So you want to come over to this website right here called peopleperhour.com. And if you type in blog post right here, you are going to see a lot of people who are already making money with blog post right here. If I click on this one, as an example, you can see this person right here is charging $15 per article per 500 words. As you can see right here, you can see we got over 800 words from these two right here, and it literally took less than 1 minute to create this content. So basically, this is how you can create content, and you can come over to sell them on this platform right here. You can see this person right here has made over 5,000 sales right here. All right, so if we multiply this by 15, okay, you can see this person has made over $77,000 just by offering article service on this platform right here. You don't have to use only people per hour. You can come over here and you can also use seoclark.com. So basically, if you type in blog post on SEO Clark as well, you are going to see a lot of people who are also making money selling blog post content on this platform as well. And now you may be wondering, why don't you use platform like Fiverr? And now the reason why Fiverr is not going to be the most preferred option is because the competition on Fiverr is insane. So if I basically come over and type in blog post on Fiverr, as you can see right here, over 28,000 people have listed their services on that blog post, which means you are going to be competing with over 28,000 people. So the chances of you getting seen is highly unlikely. However, if you come over to people per hour, you can see right here that you are only competing with 300 people on people per hour. And also you can see they are getting sales as well. So basically all you just need to do is to make a similar post like this. You can see this one right here is charging $30 for 400 word post right here. So you don't have to charge $30. You can basically come over here and charge even $10 and give a better competitive price so that more people hire you to make articles for them. So basically this is how you can create as many blog posts on this platform right here, and you can come over to sell them on people per hour and seoclark.com. You can use Fiverr as well, but you have to keep in mind that you are competing with 28,000 people on Fiverr. So basically, if you list them on this platform, like I showed you, it literally takes less than 1 minute to create content. All what the customer needs to provide you is the title of their content, and all you just need to do is to plug it in this website right here, and you can literally generate the articles for them in just 1 minute. So basically, this is all you need to do to start using this platform right here to make money online. And here is a bonus trick that you can also use to make money using this tool right here. If you go over to fiverr.com and you type in copywriting, you are going to see a lot of affiliate marketers and a lot of companies that are looking for sellers on Fiverr to create a solid copywriting for their blog or for their product so that they make money selling their products. As you can see right here, less than 8,000 people are making money offering copywriting services on Fiverr, as opposed to blog post, which has over 28,000 people competing to make money with that services. All right, so now if you come over to this platform right here, you are going to see a section where it says generate a complete landing page with copywriting and design in seconds. So basically, this is how you can make money for ClickBank affiliate and Digistore affiliate marketers, because many of them come over to Fiverr as well to hire sellers who can create a very good copywriting content that is going to get people to purchase their products. So basically, you can take advantage of this as well by using this landing page tool right here. And like I said, you don't even have to get the pro plan before you can make money using this amazing tool right here. So all you just need to do is to list your services right here as well. As you can see, some people are charging even up to $600 on this platform right here. And you can see someone, all right, but you don't have to charge that high. You can basically charge something around $25, as you can see right here. Okay, so basically this is all you need to do. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please like this video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.